So, good day and greetings. Welcome to Monday, October the 24th, 2022. I'm at stop number 2 for the day up here in Watertown, New York. Truck's low on DEF, so I had to walk over to Tractor Supply and buy a jug of DEF, which will get me through until I can get to a truck stop or back down to HQ. I haven't been down to HQ in like 2 weeks. It's crazy. But yeah, I'm on a DEF run right now. Good enough. Well, the 2 deliveries are done for today, and take my empty trailer here down to Baldwinsville. Gonna drop that. Same stuff, different day. I've been playing bass for a band called Kicking It, and my first show was Friday night. It went all right. Not bad for only having one short rehearsal with them and just kind of learning the songs by ear, playing along with them. They have a couple different tunings that different keys that aren't on the recordings, which take a little adjusting, but I'm getting there. I'm getting there. Had a good time. Got a big 2 shows this weekend coming up. So my weekends are pretty much booked for the next few months till the end of the year anyway. So I've been bringing my bass to work with me on days like today. Where it takes an hour or 2 to get unloaded, I'll go back to the sleeper with my bass and work on some tunes. Might as well make the best of my time while I can, you know. It's time to hit 81 South down to Baldwinsville. 1, 2, you know what to do. Bestest sound ever. All done for today. Took my empty trailer from Watertown over to Baldwinsville. Bobtailed back to the yard here in Syracuse. Hooked up to a trailer that I was going to take over to Solvay to get loaded. But it had issue with the mud flap. It was torn, and the mud flap arm there bracket was bent. So I had to go get that repaired. And while that was getting repaired, I took a tractor from the yard here over to the Mack dealer, dropped that off for a PM service, and then I picked up a tractor that was there that had been PM that needed to come back here to Syracuse. Got back here and trailer was repaired. However, if I picked up the load they were going to have me pick up, I would be late for my delivery tomorrow morning in Tonawanda. So my day got cut short, and I'm going home so I could be on time with my load for tomorrow. Same stuff, different day. That's the way it is. That's the way it goes. I am home, and it's a beautiful day out today. Yeah, just went and checked my mail for the day. Mr. Sunshine's hitting me right in the eyeball, and the mailman is not my favorite person on the list, you know. All he brings me is junk credit card offers and bills that I have to pay. The reason why I have to go to work every day. What the heck is up with that, right? That's just the way it is. That's the way it goes. You work to survive, right? That's right. A lot of leaves out here in the little creek here. They're all falling off the trees. I think my son is working today. Yeah, I think he is. I think he had to work from like 3:30 to 6:30 or something. He can only work part-time because he's still in high school. And but he actually likes his job. He puts his job over school and everything else. If you ask him what his priorities are, you tell him that, you know, your priorities should be school and then work, and he'll tell you it's work and then everything and then school. But his I check his grades weekly, and his grades as of right now, he's technically on the honor roll, so he's doing pretty good. I'm very proud of him, and I'm pretty happy with the way he is doing things. He's got a good head on his shoulders, you know. Not many kids his age have any idea what they want to do when they get older. And as soon as he turned 16, he said, "How do I go about getting a job?" So went out and got a job. I mean, not many kids want to work nowadays, you know. Oh, it's way too nice to sit inside. I don't know what the temperature is, but feels like it's in the mid to upper 60s, possibly 70. Mr. Sunshine's out, and I gotta be up at 12:45 in the morning so I can get up and get ready to go to work, because I've got a 2-stop delivery tomorrow out in Tonawanda, Buffalo. First stop is at 6 a.m., so I gotta be in the yard about 2:45 to get hooked up and pre-tripped and rolled out and all that fun stuff. So That's going to do it for this video today. I'll talk to y'all later. Y'all have a good one, eh? I'm out of here.